Welcome to my channel KRVR It's Our Life. In the previous video, we have learned about different types of tissues present in the body of complex organisms. That is, we have learned about epithelial tissue. In this video, we will learn about connective tissue, its types and functions. Now, we will understand what is a connective tissue. So, connective tissue is nothing but they are the linking supporting tissues of the body. So connective tissues are most abundant and they are widely distributed in the body of organisms, complex organisms. So they range from soft tissues to specialized types, which include bone, cartilage, blood, adipose, etc. In the connective tissues, except blood, the cells secrete fibers and structural proteins called collagen or elastin. These fibers provide strength, elasticity and flexibility to the tissue. So, this connective tissue is divided into three types. They are loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. Now, loose connective tissue, we will learn about loose connective tissue. This loose connective tissue, again, they are of two types, that is areolar and adipose. So, loose connective tissue, in this, the cells and fibers are loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substance. So, areolar tissue, this tissue places our organs in the body in its own places. That is, for example, when we bend, we might be observing that our eyes, nose, whatever the organs inside our body, they will not move. So because of the tissue called areolar tissue which is present, they place the organs and they support and give a support framework for epithelium. And adipose tissue, this is present beneath the skin which stores the fat. This is loose connective tissue. And we have dense connective tissue. In this we have two types, that is dense regular connective tissue and dense irregular. Okay, dense regular connective tissue, this is because of the orientation of fibers which show the regular and irregular patterns. So the dense regular connective tissue, the collagen fibers are present in rows between many parallel bundles of fibers. So, for example, the tendon and ligament are the examples of dense regular connective tissue. The tendons are which attach skeletal muscles to bones, and ligaments are those tissues which attach bone to another bone. And dense irregular connective tissue, they have fibroblasts and many fibers that are oriented differently, and this tissue is present in the skin. Now, when we speak about another type, that is specialized connective tissue. The specialized connective tissue include blood, bone and cartilage. Now, the intercellular material, that is cartilage of solid, and it is of pliable and which resists compression. Pliable is nothing but it is flexible. The cells of this tissue are enclosed in small cavities within the matrix, and most of the cartilage in vertebrate embryos are replaced by bones in adults. Now, we know about the bone. Bone is a hard and non-pliable substance which is rich in calcium and salts and collagen fibers, which gives us strength, and it is the main tissue that is present and which provides a framework to the body. It supports and provides structural frame, and it also protects the softer tissues inside it. And as we all know, blood. So blood cells contain different types of cells, that is white blood cells, red blood cells and platelets. This is all about connective tissue. We will learn about muscle tissue in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.